Hello again! Ito, leftover food that I'm gonna eat tonight. Okra. Of course, kanin, rice, and I got some tuna here. Tuna. Eating leftover. I eat one meal there because we're a trucker, so anytime we get a chance to eat, then we eat. Okra. All the okra. Malunggay sa luyot. Bye for now.